The fourth-generation Carnival features simultaneous opening and closing power doors, allowing you to open and close the tailgate and sliding doors at the same time. Hold the unlock button on your smart key for 3 seconds to open the power sliding doors and the power tailgate at the same time. Hold the lock button for 3 seconds to close the doors simultaneously. Swipe left on the infotainment system screen. Tap the setup icon. Go to Vehicle Settings. Select the Door menu and tap Remote Power Doors and Tailgate to set features such as open tailgate and sliding doors. If you stand near the tailgate with the smart key, the vehicle will recognize the smart key, an alert will sound, and the tailgate will open automatically. You can also set the opening height of the power tailgate. Manually position the tailgate to your preferred height and hold the power tailgate close button for 3 seconds until it beeps. Now the tailgate will open to your preferred position. Tap the setup icon on the infotainment system screen. Select Vehicle and the Door menu to set up the smart tailgate features. You can adjust the opening speed and opening height of the tailgate. If you approach the rear detection area with the smart key while the tailgate is open, a notification alert will go off for up to 2 minutes. When you leave the detection area, a door closing alert will sound 3 times, and it will sound twice more as the tailgate automatically closes. If you want to stop using the auto closing function, press the auto closing cancel switch on the bottom of the tailgate. Tap the setup icon on the infotainment system screen. Select Vehicle and the Door menu to set the Tailgate Auto Close feature. When the vehicle is stopped, if a passenger doesn't notice an oncoming vehicle and presses the front or rear seat sliding door open button, the rear corner radar will detect the oncoming vehicle. The warning alert will sound once and the door will not open. This driving safety feature is triggered when your vehicle's speed is less than 3 km per hour and the approaching vehicle's speed is more than 5 km per hour. Tap Setup on the infotainment system screen. Go to Vehicle and Driver Assist. Select Blind Spot Safety and activate the Safe Exit Assist feature to help keep rear seat passengers safe. If you approach the power sliding door with the smart key, the emergency warning indicators and the warning sound will go off for 3 seconds and the function will be activated. In the first step, when you approach the vehicle, the warning indicators and warning alert will activate once. In the second step, once the vehicle detects you, the warning indicators and alert will go off every second for about 3 seconds. In the third step, when the door is ready to open, the warning indicators and alert will activate twice. Swipe left on the infotainment system screen, tap Setup. Go to Vehicle and select the Door menu to activate the smart sliding door settings. Meet the smart 4th generation Carnival.
Kia, movement that inspires.